Deep dive breakdown of the Avata 3 leaks, features, and specs. This isn't speculation. This is analysis based on the most credible data streams coming directly out of Shenzhen. If you own an Avata 1 or 2, if you fly an O3 Air unit, or if you've been waiting for the perfect entry point into FPV, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the one thing everyone is talking about, the sensor. The Avata 2 brought us the 1/1.3-inch sensor. Impressive. But the Avata 3, according to multiple high-level source confirmations, is pushing the envelope with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Think about that. A 1-inch sensor, the size of what you find in professional, high-end cinema cameras, tucked into a compact sinew hook. This isn't just about better low-light performance. This is about dynamic range that rivals ground-based professional gear. You're getting true 10-bit color depth, delivering images that simply do not break in the edit. This is Hollywood-grade color data straight out of a drone you can catch in your hand. But the sensor is just the foundation. How it processes that data is the real secret. The Avata 3 is rumored to introduce O4 Plus transmission. Now, the O4 system was already groundbreaking, but O4 Plus is what happens when you fully optimize for the 1-inch sensor's data stream. We're talking about a rock-solid, dual-band, low-latency video feed that guarantees you a 4K, 120 FPS view straight into your goggles 3. No more compromises between clarity and frame rate. This is the ultimate connection, designed to eliminate the single biggest stressor of FPV pilots: signal breakup. Imagine flying a kilometer out, weaving through a dense forest, and seeing every leaf, every ray of sunlight in perfect, fluid 120 frames per second. That's the kind of confidence O4 Plus instills. Now, let's talk about the absolute game changer for flight time. The number one complaint about the Avata series has always been battery life. The Avata 3 has reportedly solved this with a complete overhaul of its propulsion system. We're looking at a new, optimized battery design, featuring high-density cells, coupled with more efficient motors and redesigned, lower-drag prop guards. The result? A rumored 40% increase in flight time. We're not talking about marginal gains. We're talking about pushing close to the 30-minute mark under optimal conditions. Think about the projects you can film. A full sunrise to midday transition on a single battery. This is the endurance that transforms the Avata from a fun toy into a serious professional tool. This capability alone will pay for the drone on its very first job. But here is the most crucial and frankly terrifying leak. The Avata 3 is reportedly introducing true omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Avata 2 had downward and forward vision. The Avata 3? It's rumored to integrate 6 dedicated vision sensors, front, back, left, right, top, and bottom, that work in tandem with an updated APS 6.0 system. This isn't just about stopping when it sees a wall. It's about predictive modeling. It can calculate the trajectory of a fast-moving object, like a bird or a baseball, and adjust its path before a collision occurs. Now, I know what you're thinking. FPV pilots don't need safety features. They want manual control. And that's exactly where the Avata 3 excels. DJI has reportedly refined its manual mode, M mode, giving you greater control over motor response and flight parameters. It's an easy-to-learn system that gives the novice pilot the confidence of N mode, but then unleashes the raw, unrestricted